Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can turn off stolen device protection on your iPhone. So let's get started. Stolen device protection is an iPhone security feature designed to protect your account and personal information if someone gets access to your iPhone and knows your passcode. If you no longer want this feature enabled, you can check the setting directly from your iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Your iPhone will ask you to enter your device passcode before you can access these security settings. Once you're inside the Face ID and Passcode section, scroll down until you find Stolen Device Protection. Tap on Stolen Device Protection to open the setting. If it's currently enabled, you should see an option to turn it off. Tap Turn Off Protection and follow the instructions shown on your screen. Depending on your location and security settings, Apple may require additional authentication or a security delay before this feature can be disabled. If you don't see Face ID and Passcode or you're unable to change these settings, your iPhone may have restrictions enabled through screen time or a family or device management configuration. In that case, go back to Settings, open Screen Time, and check Content and Privacy Restrictions. If you have permission to change those settings, review the restrictions that may be preventing access to account or security settings. Also, keep in mind that stolen device protection is specifically designed to protect your iPhone if it's stolen, so turning it off reduces some of the security protections available on your device. Once you've completed the required verification and the setting has been turned off, stolen device protection will no longer be active. And that's it. That's how you can turn off stolen device protection on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.